Hi, I'm teacher Elena. Today we are going to solve a simple stoichiometry exercise. The exercise states: calculate the amount of substance in mole of oxygen required to produce 4 moles of water, considering the following chemical equation. The first thing we have to do is look at the coefficients, which tell us what the reaction is like in terms of the amount of substance. In here, we have 2 moles of hydrogen that reacts with 1 mole of oxygen, and that produces 2 moles of water. So, if I want to produce twice as much of water, 4 moles, I will also need twice as much of oxygen, 2 moles. Twice the amount of substance in the product will require twice the amount of substance in the reactive of interest. If the relationship between the numbers is not so obvious, we can use the rule of 3. The rule of 3 is an operation that helps us quickly solve direct proportion problems. In order to use the rule of 3, we need 3 values, 2 that are proportional to one another, and a third. From there, we will figure out the fourth value. So, the known values, which we will call A, B, and C, and the unknown value that we want to figure out, that we will call X. To find out the value of X, you have to multiply B by C and then divide the result by A. Multiply B by C and then divide the result by A. With the data of the problem, this will imply multiplying 1 mole of oxygen by 4 moles of water and dividing the result by 2 moles of water, obtaining the same result, 2 moles of oxygen. Now let's find out about hydrogen. Calculate the amount of substance in mole of hydrogen required to produce 4 moles of water, considering the following chemical equation. Now we know that 2 moles of hydrogen produces 2 moles of water. So the ratio is 1 to 1. 1 mole of hydrogen produces 1 mole of water. So if we want 4 mole of water, we will need 4 mole of hydrogen. Again, with the rule of 3, we would multiply 1 mole of hydrogen by 4 mole of water and divide by 1 mole of water. If you choose to do it with 2 mole of hydrogen that produces 2 mole of water, you are going to get the same result. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will see you in an upcoming video. Take care!